Everybody's been asking about it, and it's finally here. Check it out, the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer S. This 2024 Jeep Wagoneer S is Trackhawk fast with 600 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. I can't tell you if I verified that or not, but I will say I believe it. I do believe it. Check it out, all-wheel drive, dual motor, so front and rear electric drive motors. It does have a frunk, so it's got a little trunk up front, gorgeous black wheels. This is a launch edition, guys, so it's fully loaded. It comes with every option. The only thing you can do is pick black or red interior. For this model, we decided to go with the black interior, a little bit more acceptable, a little less loud than the red, but still very gorgeous. So before I open up the trunk, I want you guys to check out this gorgeous rear wing, which I really just think, you know, everything looks the same today. Teslas, Blazer EVs, Mustang Mach-Es, they all kind of have a similar shape. Jeep wanted to do something different with the Wagoneer S. They put this awesome piece of aero on the rear, which is this big, large wing. It's actually that houses the rear view camera, but it just sets it off. It makes it look like something different. It stands out from the crowd. It's still very efficient, but it doesn't look like everybody else's EV. Everybody asks, George, how big is the Wagoneer S? Just to clear up a lot of the myths and rumors, the Wagoneer S is nowhere near the size of the Wagoneer and the Grand Wagoneer. The Wagoneer S, to me, its footprint is about the size of a Jeep Grand Cherokee, but it's got this more coupe body design with that sweeping rear that kind of cuts down. If you look, still a lot of space. Like, it's very wide, decent height. You've got storage underneath as well. The seats fold flat, so it's still a very functional vehicle. You can add a trailer hitch that's nice and hidden behind this cover, but size-wise, it's gonna be very similar to your Grand Cherokee, just a little bit lower roof line. It's more sleek looking. The interior is all Wagoneer. One thing I noticed compared to a lot of other EVs is there is no expense spared on the quality of materials on the inside and all the detail. Starting up top with the dual pane, full glass roof, everything you see up here is all wrapped in Alcantara, suede-like material, full leather seats, super soft, contrast stitching. These are 12-way seats, power bolsters, massage features on both sides, 19-speaker Macintosh stereo. It's got your active drive system, which you can, I mean, you gotta be careful, you can fall asleep driving down the highway. 100 kilowatt hour battery, which gives you just a little bit over 300 miles range. It's really, to me, kind of the best of both worlds. You get to go EV, but you get to do it in full luxury, where I feel like almost everybody else has gone full EV, and then they make the interior so basic and boring, it kind of feels like you're rolling around in a Rubbermaid tub. Not in here, this is all Wagoneer. So if you're looking for an EV SUV that breaks the mold, looks different than everybody else, does supercar 0 to 60 speeds, 2 trunks, all-wheel drive, space for 4 people to sit in absolute comfort, and you can get it for less than $60,000, then look no further. The Wagoneer S is it.